Hey everyone, this is Eddie. I just wanted to make a quick video here talking about how to change the parameters on a variable frequency drive in order to set it up to run using the keypad. So we can see here is our variable frequency drive. And what we want to do is operate it using these buttons here on the keypad. So we can see right now they are not doing anything. That is because of the parameter settings. In a variable frequency drive like this PowerFlex525, there are a number of programmable parameters that can change how it operates. So to set it up for keypad, that's one of the easiest things to do. So first I'm going to press escape until I see all these zeros. That's kind of the base screen. Then I'm going to go ahead and press the enter key. So there's really 5 navigation keys. Escape always kind of takes you out of the menus. Up and down will change numbers. This will sort of select or like kind of enter in things, and this is used for kind of navigating left and right when we're doing numbers. So I'm going to press this enter key. And you can see that now I'm in my parameters, and I'm in parameter B002, and it's saying that this is a basic display parameter. And I can navigate up and down, so the parameters are grouped. B is like basic display. P is going to be basic programmable parameters. And so if I hit enter, now I'm in P030. And I want to go all the way up to parameter 46. Parameter 46 is start source. And if I hit enter, you can see right now it's set to 2. I want it to be set to 1. It can be anywhere from 1 to 5 depending on what's going to start the process. The keypad is going to be 1, and if I wait for a second, it'll say keypad. I'm going to press enter, and now if I hit the green button, we can see that it turns into run mode, but I still can't turn the motor on. So I'm going to hit the red button to turn it off. I'm going to press escape again, and now I want to go to parameter 47, press the enter button. You can see it's set for 7. I want to change that down to 1 and press enter. And that will also be the keypad potentiometer. So setting 1 is the drive pot, which stands for the potentiometer. So now if I back up a little bit, I can turn it on with the green button. I'm going to hit escape again to go back to the basic screen. And if I use this now, we can see that I can increase the frequency and turn my motor on. And if I toggle it all the way up, it'll get kind of loud, but it'll go to up to 60 hertz. And I can adjust it back down, all the way back down to 0. And if I hit the gray button, we can actually change it to run in reverse, which you can't really see from the video, but it is running the opposite direction. So I'm going to switch it back to forward, and I'm going to turn it off. And that is what you need to know about how to program a variable frequency drive, a PowerFlex525, to run using the keypad.